So as always, let's dive into DaVinci Resolve to show you how it's done. So for that, what you have to do is come to Effects and bring in a Text Plus node. Then let's come to Fusion, and under Fusion, I'm going to type in something like slow rise, and I'm going to change the font to Inter black. Once that is done, right click here and press follower. Once you press follower, a new tab will open called modifiers. Select that one, come to transform. So you need to be doing a keyframe on the offset. So let me come to the first frame, that is frame 0, and press a keyframe here. As soon as you press that, a new tab will open called path. You don't have to do anything here. Come back to follower and now come to frame 18 and press a keyframe here. Now come to the first keyframe and just lower it a little bit like this. So you will have something that looks like this. Now to smoothen out, bring in spline, select displacement, press this one and Ctrl A, right click, ease, out cubic. So you'll have a curve that looks like this. Now if I hit play, this is what you have. Now we need to play with the opacity. For that, come to shading. You see a tab here called opacity. Let me disable the spline for now. And I will put a keyframe here on opacity. Then I'll come to frame 8 or 6 and press a keyframe here. Now you come to the first keyframe and slide the opacity slider all the way to 0. Now you'll have something like this. Again, come to spline. Let me disable all this. Select just the opacity. Press this one. Ctrl A, right click, ease, out cubic. So now what you have is a nice slow rise title like this. Now what you can do is you can add in a drop shadow. For that, shift spacebar, drop shadow and press add. And you can customize to your liking. I'm going to do something like this. So you have something like this. Now you can bring in any background of any color and the text will appear like this. Now you can again edit all the text right here itself. So all the keyframe you've done in Fusion, it's already saved. So what you can do is if you have a power bin, you can just save it to your power bin like this. Now how to view the power bin? You click on these 3 dots. You can see show power bins. So it will be saved here and you can use it for all your projects. Now I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.